Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long break, I'm here with another video. So guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification icon so that you'll know when I post the new videos. So guys, let's go to the main content. Today I'm going to cook a very special authentic Turkish dish, muya kwran mosdeng. It's very simple to prepare. First, soak in water for 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to boil them in water for 10 minutes so that the sourness can be mostly removed. Some roasted chilies and fermented fish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.